we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Suzuki RM-Z450. This bike is in beautiful condition. It's got a high compression piston, runs race gas, pro circuit pipe, Sycra factory handguards. Plastics are in excellent shape. Come on by, make your big bore motocross dreams come true for just $64.99. Save about $3,000, $4,000 off of the price of a new one. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.